Hi everyone, in this video I want to tell you 5 natural ways to whiten teeth at home. Number 1 is brush after drinking or eating. The best way to whiten your teeth naturally, though maybe not always the easiest, is to simply brush your teeth with an appropriate toothpaste after eating or drinking something. Number 2 is lemon and orange peel. It contains beneficial acids, also does the trick for whitening teeth. These foods overall very healthy, such as benefiting digestion due to regulating levels of stomach acid. Number 3 is strawberries. Berries contain many beneficial antioxidants and other compounds that can benefit the health of your teeth, but they are not the only ones that keep your teeth looking great as you age. Number 4 is apple cider vinegar. It makes sense that apple cider vinegar, which effectively works as a natural antibiotic and teeth cleanser, would also be able to remove stubborn stains on the teeth. Number 5 is pineapple. Pepin and bromelain, which are enzymes that occur in papayas and pineapples, respectively, may both help to whiten teeth. So, use pineapple to whiten teeth at home.